Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. And A71 comes with a Snapdragon 730 chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the new Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite comes with a Snapdragon 730G chipset with 8GB of RAM. And guys, in some region we also get a Snapdragon 730G on the Samsung Galaxy A71, but in my country we get a Snapdragon 730 chipset. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And low came up first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71, followed by the Mi Note 10 Lite, and both phones is running on Android 10. And let's see who is faster there. And Samsung Galaxy A71, it is little bit expensive phone than the Mi Note 10 Lite, especially in Pakistan, and you can see. And the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, it is faster when it comes to booting up, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very big display. We have a full HD Super AMOLED Plus display with the Infinity O on the center, and you can see it is a really small punch hole on the Samsung Galaxy A71, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite is give you a full HD AMOLED display, and also it is a curved, and you can see, which give a little bit more premium feel when you are holding this phone in your hand. And also back, it is made up of glass on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite compared to a plastic on the Samsung Galaxy A71. But I have to say that the look wise, I would say that Samsung Galaxy A71 it looks more beautiful from the back, I have to say. And guys, you can see that everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is about the same on both phones. Settings, and again little bit faster on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, followed by the A71. Calculator on both phones, and again little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71. Amazon shopping on both phones, and let's see who is faster there. Launching at the same time, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Maybe the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, it is just a tiny bit faster there. I would say a bit second difference there. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. Snapchat, little bit faster on the Mi Note 10 Lite. Spotify, again little bit faster on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. So now let's see some games application for checking out the performance between the Snapdragon 730 versus a Snapdragon 730G. Candy Crush Saga, and you can see again Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, it is faster there, just a tiny bit, followed by the A71. Subway Surfer, and again Mi Note 10 Lite, it is faster there, and you can see, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A71. The Temple Run 2 on both phones, and the Samsung Galaxy A71, it is just a tiny bit faster there for some reason. We have some background, the downloading thing on the Mi Note 10 Lite, and you can see A71 this time it is faster there. The mic lock, and again a little bit faster on the Mi Note 10 Lite. Again, you guys judge of the speed test. Now let's opening up the calendar, and that is definitely faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71. The Twitter, and faster on the Mi Note 10 Lite, followed by the A71. Zedge, and again Mi Note 10 Lite, it is just a tiny bit faster there. The My Files, and that is again Samsung Galaxy A71, it is faster there. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and you can see Mi Note 10 Lite, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the A71, and both phones give you a main 64 megapixel main sensor. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the A71 versus a Google Chrome on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Wikipedia.org, and you can see that the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, it is just a tiny bit faster there. Next on the list is the apple.com, and you can see again Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the A71. Let's see the scrolling. You can see feels absolutely smooth on both phones, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones give you a 8GB of RAM. Phone dialer, that got refresh on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see settings, refresh. Let's see calculator, again refresh on the Mi Note 10 Lite. Amazon shopping, refresh, and both phones is on the latest software version. Snapchat, that is again refresh. Spotify, refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer, refresh. Let's see Temple Run 2, refresh. My Clock, let's see the calendar, that is again refresh. Let's see the Twitter, that is not refresh on both phones. And Samsung Galaxy A71, it is perform absolutely incredible in the RAM management, no issue whatsoever. Zedge, that is not refresh on both phones. My Files, that seems like refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see that is not refresh on both phones. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the new base Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71, but in some region both phones perform about the same on both phones, because I have to say again, in some region we also get the Snapdragon 730G on the Samsung Galaxy A71, but the RAM management, it is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy A71, but almost all the application it is refreshed on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. I hope the RAM management will fix with some software updates. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A71 versus the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.